Hi, my name is Carl Gough and I'm a storyteller for hire. Essentially, I come and I will share myths, legends, folk tales, even ghost stories. Storytelling is infinitely flexible. It can be delivered safely at a distance, indoors or outdoors. In fact, I love telling outdoors. The wonderful thing about storytelling is it's suitable for everyone, in every situation. A great deal of the material that I share is drawn from traditional Welsh material. Tales filled with drama from the Mabinogion, friendly local folk tales that help you relate to where you are in a completely different way. Even further afield, I can draw on tales from across the world, but the vast majority of my repertoire is rooted very firmly in the dramatic heart of Wales. Here you can find all things. As a storyteller, you have the magic, the alchemy from the industrial heartlands, even down at the steelworks where the fire and brimstone boils from below, and then outwards into the high mountains and the deep valleys where the waters run and the whispering stones tell you secrets of long forgotten places and people. This area is a treasure trove of stories. Every valley within the area has its own particular characteristics, its own history, its own stories. There are lots of places you could go, but not many that will offer you the variety, the diversity of experiences, the warm welcome that this place can give you. So I encourage you to come and find your epic in the dramatic heart of Wales.